Hi, I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. And what I love to do is cook because I know you're busy. And this is a yogurt-based dressing that you can actually do with stuff that you already have in your refrigerator, and you don't have to make such a big deal of it, and you could still have a healthy, creamy, yogurt-based dressing for whatever green salad you're looking to make. Okay, so I'm just going to put the yogurt into a bowl, and then I'm going to take some already prepared store-bought salsa. But I did check the ingredients on this salsa, and I was able to find a nice organic type that just had organic tomatoes, peppers, onions, and spices. So it would be like I would make it myself, except I didn't have to spend the time. And I'm just adding that to the yogurt. And of course, this dressing is going to be a little bit spicy because I bought spicy salsa. So you can go according to your taste. And you can also adjust the amount of salsa that you want into the yogurt. You might want a little bit more. And here you have what looks like one of those creamy, decadent, fat-laden dressings that'll go on your salad. And it's simply that delicious and that good and that easy. So here's the deal. You now have no more excuses for grabbing that fat, chemical-laden, already processed jar, that sounds disgusting, jar of dressing in the store. You can just make this with 2 ingredients, a spoon, and a bowl. So I've made it really easy for you. I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now, while I go dump this on my salad and chow on this.